number 7 is actually the opposite of what we've been doing. They actually give us the graph and they want us to kind of fill in an equation. So it says the graph of a polynomial is given, and if f of x has degree 4, fill in the equation for f of x. So we see that the graph crosses here and here. Well, it actually doesn't cross, it just bounces off or it touches it. So at -2, the corresponding equation for that would be actually x plus 2. And because it bounces off, we know this has to be an even power. So this has to be 2. Here, it bounces off of 4, positive 4. So in the equation, it would have to be the opposite. It would have to be x minus 4. And this would also have to have a power of 2. Now, because it's going down as you go to the left and going down as you go to the right, this would actually have to be the negative case here. You would have to have a negative coefficient out in front. And I don't know what that's going to be. Meaning it's just a, we're calling it a, but I know it has to be negative. On the second one, we are crossing here at -1, so that would be x plus 1, and then we're crossing at 2, that would be x minus 2. Crossing at 4 would be x minus 4. Crossing at 6 would be x minus 6. And each of these, because they cross, and because our total degree is only 4, all of these would just be 1. And because this is going up as you go to the left and right, this would have to be positive.